Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the built-in emoji panel, press Windows Plus, or Windows Plus, and it appears. Make sure the text cursor is active in the chat, document, or form you're using. Once the picker is open, you can type a keyword to filter or scroll through categories to find faces, symbols, or flags. This method works system-wide, so you know why it's preferable. It's fast, consistent, and requires no third-party app. Try typing smile to see matching options. Once you've located an emoji, click it or press enter to insert. The panel closes and the character lands where the cursor was. If a variant menu appears, choose skin tone or gender to match intent. This matters for accurate expression. You can add multiple emojis, backspace to remove, or select and replace if you change your mind. Also, make sure to preview in the app because some programs render emojis differently. When in doubt, test in a message first. Finally, use alternatives. Open the touch keyboard from the taskbar for a larger, clickable emoji layout, or copy-paste from an emoji app if the picker isn't available. If the emoji panel fails to open, restart the app first, then press Windows Plus. Again to force it. If that still fails, sign out or reboot. This resolves most system glitches. Remember why these steps matter. They give you reliable access and simple recovery options, so you can keep the conversation expressive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.